Look at that.
Nice.
Pure aggression, over he goes. I think this is mostly a father's job right here when they're RCing with your kid, is to go and flip RCs, more than likely at the farthest point of wherever you're driving. Looking good, Mo. I like the new paint job. Dirt. All right, so we know everybody is in lockdown right now. Hello, YouTube land. We want to say hi from the RC Spark studio, do a family/parenting video here. And we know that with the USA COPPA law, the Child Online Privacy Protection Act, we are not allowed to show Maurice on camera until he's 13 years old, basically. Maurice, you're represented now by your hand. Say hi.
Hi!
Let's go RCing! Yeah! Aha! Both trucks represented right here, Maurice. I think this is a good match. What do you think?
Great.
I've got my XMAXX, and what do you call yours?
The MOMAX.
The MOMAXX! Exactly! We're ready to rock and roll. I've got 8S LiPo on the inside of my truck. Maurice has half that, 4S LiPo. Both of these machines are monsters. Mama, you gonna film for us in the background?
How to have a successful mudding session.
Yeah!
I just see big snow ramps every couple while.
Can you go up the hill?
Oh, nice.
Yeah! You got some speed in that little fella, buddy. Yeah!
Nice. Ah! You able to help him? Nice!
Oh, almost! The recovery. There you go, buddy.
Oh, that's nice.
It's my fault that you're over, man.
Oh my gosh.
Dad,
Sorry, I'm in your way.
look at my face.
Oh my gosh.
That's what happens. You get mud on your face. Yeah, good one, Mo.
Oh, there's dust cloud.
Two-wheel driving.
That was awesome.
That's the longest two-wheel I've seen. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're both belly up.
Upside down. Are you ready? Get set, go.
Again.
Nice job. Mo kicking butt.
He is kicking
Drives
butt.
better than I do. I can't
He's
believe
really good.
his amount of two-wheel driving on one side. Oh,
Oh, nice.
Maurice, have you ever hit this jump before?
No, I have not.
Are you excited to hit this jump?
Yep.
This is the only way we can do it.
The only way we can do it.
We're still bringing it to the people.
He's short, it's fine.
So since we're just learning how to jump, I'll kind of go halfway slow and then speed up at the end like this. So slow and then speed up 1, 2, 3. Like that. But you don't want to stay on the throttle. You have to hit the throttle and then you have to let off when you're in the air.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Good luck. Whoa! Nice! Nice! You still made it! Fast in the beginning.
Then fast at the end.
Nice landing. Oh my gosh, there goes the tire.
Gotta move that tire out of the way.
Thank you.
Oh, over he goes. I got you, pal. I sent Jem up there so she can have a good time. She's up on the driver's stand right now. It's her first time driving the XMAXX with paddle tires. And it is a boss indeed. S lipo continues just to pull in all that mud. Little Mo and the MAXX. Both of these trucks taking a beating. Yes. Maurice running a 5004 S lipo. We have not charged it this entire episode, and of course you guys don't see everything. So he's just been running. Me too. Same set of batteries, 6700s. Nice job, guys! We're RCing as a family. Nailed me! RCing as a family. I love it. Those paddle tires are absolute monstrous beasts. They fling so much mud every time I do one of these videos. Everybody who watches needs a shower, including my camera. Buddy, go ahead, hit it. There's Mama's big finish right there. Reverse shitty. Get it in the mud, Mama. Yeah. Right in the middle. Let's see if you can fling some water all the way over the camera. 3, 2, 1, go. There it is. Ah, it's slippery. Guys, thanks a lot for joining us. Please leave a like, click, or a comment for our family outing today, and we will see you in the next episode of RC Adventures! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Guys, good luck on your jump in 3, 2, 1, go! Maurice into the water, yeah! Mama also does it. Oh, and I get rained on with mud. The best kind of rain. Yeah. That's the best kind of bashing video. Mud with family. Oh, nice. Right here?
I think it looks gonna look awesome.
And we're gonna go into the pond. Follow me, you're gonna be fine.
Oh.
Over he goes! Let's see if we can save him. Yeah! Oh!
You trapped me.
Sorry, son. You're free, though. You're free.
Let me out of here.
And clean! So, as parents, what is our suggestion to other parents that want to RC with their kid?
Surprise, spray them with water. So funny, paddle tires are the
Sorry.
best for it. Oh my gosh, my finger got stuck on the trigger.
Patience, tolerance, be prepared to carry the RC all the
The
time.
heavy waterlogged RC.
And it's going to be as full of mud as possible because
atrociously full.
they're going to say they don't want to carry it back. Right, Mo? Yeah, he just nodded.
Yeah.
He's out.
The scripted video.
Mo, you gonna come clean your RC? I didn't think so. Who's cleaning it?